you want help? Anyway. You are in the wrong place, oh kangaroo. This is probably the first ever surfing kangaroo. It's got a stowaway. Alright. Okay, you're holding on. Get him. Get on. Get on here, little buddy. What the hell? Stomach alright? Oh, I see some cats. Oh, buddy. Yeah, it's so cold as fuck. He's so weak. Yeah.
Little wallaby's thanking her rescuer. Bit of a recovery. She was just lying down, just eyes open, but the sun's warmed her up and probably a little bobble. This is a message to all wallabies. Wallabies don't paddle. Bye, Kanga. Don't go paddling again. Live long. Heat up, eat some grass, drink some water, and you'll be good.